In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor in Roblox Forsaken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to be teaching you how to customize the cursor that you use in Forsaken. According to my testing, this is only going to work for mobile. If you want to change the cursor on PC, then you will need to change the actual cursor inside of the game files. However, for mobile, it is much simpler because all that you have to do is grab the ID that refers to a different cursor that you would like to use. So in this example, I'm using this website, Roblox Den, and as you can see, they have a bunch of decals that you can download. So just browse through crosshairs or decals by ID and copy the ID. So I'm going to use this one as an example. Now you have to go inside of Forsaken to actually change your crosshair. Now, to actually change the crosshair, go into the settings inside of Forsaken, either on a public or private server, and now scroll all the way down. So by default, you will see this keybinds game. Just keep going all the way down until you reach the customization category. There's two relevant options here. First, crosshair enabled. Make sure that this option is ticked on. And now paste the ID that you copied. So in my example, it is going to be that crosshair with a little kitten. Now that I've pasted the ID, you will notice that my crosshair is going to change. If it doesn't work, make sure that it didn't get reset. So mine actually went away, so I didn't paste it properly, but now it should work. So as you can see, the crosshair has now changed. It is going to appear when you hover over settings, when you move a mouse if you have one connected, and of course, when you do shift lock. It works for mobile, and you will be able to do this inside of Forsaken. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.